Hi guys, so I was just ripping down some scrap wood to get it in the motor using this Erbauer saw that I was talking about in one of my other videos. It's not sponsored or anything, it's just my saw, as I said in the other one. I bought it as a replacement anyway, bloody blah. And I was just cutting down some timber and I made a big rookie mistake. I didn't set my depth, I didn't bother checking. I thought I had enough space. What was behind it wasn't important, but have a look at this. So I've cut straight through, and I thought when I was cutting, I thought I had ample room. Not important, I'm just ripping it down. And as I say, rookie mistake. And I've actually cut straight through. If I get this bit of timber out of the way, that's a cement mixer, an old drum. See, old messy drum. I'm going to make a fire pit out of it at some point. One of my videos coming up, so keep tuned for that. Subscribe and get that one coming soon. And I've literally, yeah, as I went through, you can see, gone straight in. I didn't even notice it cutting. How good it is for quite a cheap blade, and it still feels really sharp, to be fair. Rookie mistake. Should have set my gauge. Should have checked I had good clearance. I knew there was nothing important behind, like none of my hand or leg or anything that was going to matter cutting, but don't really want to hit metal when you're using a wood blade. But anyway, that sliced straight through that, and let's see if it still cuts wood easy. So some scrap timber here. Just leave it back. Let's see if it still cuts easy enough. Well, it's still ripping through that timber all right, and as you can see, the teeth don't look too bad. They're not molded over or rolled over on the tops. Yeah, that's rookie error. Straight through the cement mixer without noticing. Good little saw, and a half decent blade comes with it. Very impressed.